Good afternoon or morning, everyone. So today I will be installing a Weapon R short ram intake. So I bought this from a member on the 9th Gen Civic forums, or the Facebook page. It's the Weapon R short ram intake. I have some AF Dynamics eBay intake that I'll be taking off, putting this one in place. The previous owner had also bought this this tube that attaches up to the filter like this, and then you can route it to wherever you want in the engine bay, just so you can get some colder air. And that's what I'll be. I don't know if I'll be using that pipe and just put this pipe in. Don't know yet, but I'll do some before and after shots just so we can see if there's a sound difference, if there's any other noticeable changes. So let's get into it. So here's the cold start of the AF Dynamics filter. Okay, this is going to be the first star with the Weapon R short ram intake.